Hi, it's Dan here from UK Moneyman, and I'm here today to talk about interest-only mortgages for pensioners. Now, the good news is that there's more choice than there ever has been before in terms of the mortgage options available, for pensioners. There are quite a number of mainstream lenders who have extended their maximum age limits to maybe 70 or 75. Some will even go up to 80 and beyond. There are lenders out there who will give a 60-year-old a 25-year repayment mortgage. The big thing to think about is are these mortgages going to fit within your budget? Are they affordable for you? What's going to work best for you in the long term? And quite often it's important not to look for a one-size-fits-all product. So it may be that ultimately a lifetime mortgage where you pay the interest on a monthly basis might be the best solution for you in the future. But it might be that you're likely to get a better deal by taking a retirement interest-only mortgage in the short term before you roll on to that one. Now, retirement interest-only mortgages are a whole thing on their own. They're a mortgage where you're committed to paying the monthly interest just like you were with a conventional interest-only mortgage, but there's no end date to them, so they carry on for the rest of your life if you need them to. A lifetime mortgage is a sort of equity release. Now, all of those, the Equity Release Council has been working on this for a number of years, and all of those now come with the ability to pay the interest. Now, some lenders deal with that better than others. Some say you can make unlimited payments from as little as £50. Others of them say, well, you can pay one payment a year and that's it. So really, the important thing is to go through your circumstances with your advisor, talk about your affordability, talk about your other commitments, outgoings, things like that, and what your income is and how that's likely to increase over time, if it is. And then they will then be able to tailor the product for you through your circumstances, something that's affordable, something that's going to be sustainable in the long term. But yes, for pensioners, there's loads of choice out there. We've got an awful lot of people coming to us now who have been renting for their whole lives and are now looking to buy their first property in their 70s or maybe even getting into their 80s because they can't stand the idea of getting evicted by a landlord just because they want to sell the property or whatever. So yeah, the chances of home ownership, even first-time buyer home ownership as a pensioner, are so much better than they used to be. So give us a call, we'll talk you through the options and let's get you a mortgage.